Have you ever looked at a movie or TV show and saw an item that made you go, oh my gosh, I need that for my video? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to teach you how to make a magic mirror. Welcome to Pretty's Bunker, and today you're watching the Bunker Editing Lab. I use an outcode video guru, but you can recreate this process with any other editor. Now let's get started by clicking New Project. Tap on Material tab, then go to Colors. Select the light blue one. We're going to have to adjust the format, so go to Crop. As you can see, I selected the TikTok format since it would better fit the type of mirror frame I'm going to use. Tap on Pip, then switch to Material, go to Frame. This is the mirror frame that I am going to use. Now it's time to make adjustments to this frame so it can fit on the screen. Tap on Full. As you can see, now it has become fitted. It's time to make the real magic happen. Tap on Effects and go to the mood section. I recommend using Shimmer because it has a nice sparkly look to it. Next, we are going to the Space section of the Material tab. We have a lot of options here, but I'm going to use this lamp one. You know the drill. Adjust the size by clicking Full. On the same menu, go to Blend. There you can play around with the different photos options they have here. Just play around with it. Go through all of them if you want to. Just find the one that you feel is right. Since my chosen overlay is a video, we're going to have to go to Speed and adjust it a bit. Make sure that the mirror frame is the top overlay. For fun and recreating the vision I had for Magic Mirror, go to Pip and select a random green screen of a character you want to use. Go to Animation and select which way you want your character to fade in and out. Now you can either make your character the middle overlay or the first overlay. Today I am choosing the middle. Now if you desire to alter the appearance of your character, go to Bend and play around with the filters as much as you want. If none of them works for you, then go back to the normal setting and play around with the bar that says optimacy. You can adjust that. If you want to have the Magic Mirror character show you what is happening with another person, Snow White style, this is how you're gonna do it. Add a random image, any image. Let's do Charlie from Husband Hotel, just for fun. You can adjust the picture manually to make it fit ideally for the mirror shape, while also adjusting the work you already did earlier, like readjusting the animations, functions and settings, and adding another layer to match the look you did for the first part of the video. And that's it, that's all you had to do. Make sure to save this video by exporting it. Congratulations, now you have the magic mirror that you envisioned for your video. Thanks for watching.